now digging him up, but it ended up being dug into the ground. What are you doing? I'm going to push him down now with that ass. You're joking. The paint will come off and you won't be able to hook it off with the removal board. Turn around here and pull your arms all the way down. Turn around here. Wow, I'm seriously ill. To cut a long story short, no, it's easy to stumble on this side. You come this way, you're seriously ill. Go there for a moment. Okay, come on, I'll interact. Move forward. Go faster, okay? You put the pusher down like this, drop the head shovel, then fall. Fall and fall. Okay, come on, now you can hook the leg momentum. Can you hook it? Come, collect the shovel, collect the forearm. Okay, not at all bothered. Isn't that going down? You need to use your brains more in everything.